When our Linux screen reversing does not show up, we can do the following. First, we enter the original car interface. If the original car does not display, please contact customer service. Then we start to reverse, and we can see that the reverse screen shows no signal. We can click Settings, Car Settings, Reverse Settings, Camera Type to select the corresponding camera type. If you have an aftermarket camera, you need to make sure that your camera is an AHD or CVBS camera with no more than 720p. Then select Camera Format for aftermarket camera to choose the corresponding option according to your camera format. When the selection is complete, turn off the engine and restart the vehicle. When the screen turns on again, we start to reverse, and we can see that the reverse screen is displayed normally. If your radar button doesn't respond, you can click Settings, Car Settings, Reversing Settings, and turn on the radar for aftermarket camera option. At this point, we press the radar button and we see that the radar function works. Now let's take a look at the camera wiring method. First, we need to check if the camera is single or dual format. Those with two terminals are dual format. Those without are single format. If you have a dual format camera, we need to connect both terminals in CVBS format after connection. Other than that, they are wired the same way for both cameras. We then connected the corresponding color plug on the camera harness to each other. Then find our ISO harness and find our rear camera and camera +1 to be harnesses. Connect the yellow plug on the camera harness to the rear camera plug and the red harness to the camera +1 to be harnessed. At this point, our camera is connected. Now we start connecting the front view camera. Check if it is a dual format camera. If your camera has two terminals, it is dual format. We need to connect the two terminals. After connecting, it is in CVBS format. If there is no terminal, it is single format and can be connected directly. We then connected the black plugs on the camera harness to each other, paying attention to the notches on the plugs when connecting. Then find our ISO harness and find our video input and camera +1 to be harnesses. Connect the yellow plug on the camera harness to the video input plug and the red harness to the camera +1 to be harnessed. After the camera is connected, go to Settings, Cut Settings, Reverse Settings, and set the front view time to a non-zero value. Now let's look at the method of connecting the front and rear cameras at the same time. Let's start connecting the front view camera. If you have a dual format camera, you need to connect both terminals. See VBS format after connection. We then connected the black plugs on the camera harness to each other, paying attention to the notches on the plugs when connecting. Let's start connecting the rear view camera. If you have a dual format camera, you need to connect both terminals. See VBS format after connection. We then connected the corresponding color plugs on the camera harness to each other. Then find our ISO harness. Find our rear camera and video input, and camera plus 12 volts, 3 harnesses. Find one part, 2-part camera plus 1 to be harness that came with the front view camera and connect it to the camera plus 1 to be connector on the ISO harness. Connect the yellow plug on the rear view harness to the rear camera plug and the red harness to the other one of the 2-part camera plus 1 to be harnesses. Then connect the yellow plug on the front view harness to the video input plug, and the red harness to one of the 2-part camera plus 1 to be harnesses. After the camera is connected, go to Settings, Cut Settings, Reverse Settings, and set the front view time to a non-zero value.